Conan got one of my boosters, Eric here, and Gavin. Why? Gavin has won both of the sets so far. In the first set, he won in literally 2 turns, which is absolutely ridiculous. Let's just hope I don't get absolute dead last, because I swear I don't do this bad normally. I don't do this bad normally. I swear. I swear I'm better at this game, people. Don't ostracize me. I don't even know what I just said. Pop gun. Pop gun. Hoo-ha, yeah. Certainly got my posse pop gun in the past. Shit. I just realized I swore. Yeah, you guys okay with me swearing? Where? My cursor fell off the face of the planet for a second. I'm so surprised I managed to save myself. Okay. My turn. Yeah, sure, why not? Ah! What's even the point of that? Gosh, this is standard CPUs too. Standard CPUs. How am I doing so bad? Cosmic Capers. This is one I haven't felt that in like a long time. I always start out slow, but I always manage to pick up the pace soon. What the? My controls went bed for a second. So long, I have it again. So long, Chaferino. Man, Gavin has lost nearly every minigame, and yet he is the one doing the best. How? At least I got a row of purple, my favorite color.
1 to go.
I feel like it's almost like this is a catastrophic levels of bad I'm doing. Now I understand why Poop sure hates this game.
Start.
I have like a stack of all my Wii games in order to be able to hold up the camera. I want to choose a batting practice on it right now. Ah!
One to go.
Don't let me down, Jeffrey. Don't let me down. Back attack. I either fail miserably, or oh Jesus, Got ya, Gavin! Come over here, Megan! What's wrong? Aha! If this minigame I either like do really well or just fail miserably, to be honest with you here. It's not gonna be much now. Because I am like doing catastrophically horrid. Okay, Megan can win. Taking that from you. You can't have it, Megan. You can't have the yellow boy. You can't have Aaron. I know Aaron isn't that good, but you can't have him. I'm surprised you didn't go for me, because you know the whole match your color thing. I would have done that. We're here on 5. Oh, if I get first, I can win, or at least win this round. I'm not sure if I'm gonna win the game. Gavin. Oops. Dang it. Let's go. Yeah. Take that. Woo. I think someone's home. Try to even like the privacy of no one being here. Like most of the time, nobody's actually here, so. Finally, I got 3 by 2. Alright, got myself squarely in second place. Okay. Let's see what we got next. Alright, friendly face-off. Go for his least favorite minigame, but then again, he makes it intentionally hard for himself, so. Yeah, it was kind of hard for me because of how much brown is on me, because, you know, the really long hair. Or like, really long hair, but really long bangs, I guess. Okay. I'm not even sure what to do with this, but I'm taking it so nobody else can have it. Okay. What on earth is here? I have no idea. Oh yes, right. I used to hate this minigame as a child, but like now that I've grown to understand it, I'm the best. What can I say? Playing the music helps me understand motion-based rhythm very well. I think I have Theo as my kid. I remember reading on like the wiki that there's like how they chose the Miis. That like they don't have like any facial hair glasses or like skin thingies. But like there's like 4 Miis that they could have added, but they didn't. Strange. Especially since like some of them, like Shinta, I really like, so. Alright. What am I gonna do? I have no idea. But Theo, trust me.
One to go.
Come on, Theo. Don't make it all of me. Actually, why am I asking Theo to not make it all of me? It's all based around what I do next. Actually, it's all based around what everyone else does next. Okay. Carmon is in my roster again. Brawl Download. This is the first Wii Party minigame I ever played.
Start. Finish.
I was playing against Tatsuki, Shohei, I don't know, and Sarah. I remember getting third in that. I was playing Board Game Island, got third. Tatsuki won, Sarah got second, I got third, Shohei got fourth. I'm saying Shohei because Toxic Prime says Shohei. Ah well. Win some, you lose some. But yeah, I say Shohei because Toxic Prime says Shohei, but when I was young I always pronounced it as Shohei. Why? I don't know, it just sounded right to me. Then again, I always pronounced Siobhan as Siobhan when I was a kid. I'm not kidding.
One to go.
I always, well, you know, we all got one to go this round. Ooh, Raylene! I gotta get my hands on. Actually, I shouldn't say that. She's a minor. Yeah. I need to get though. I need to come first. Luckily, I'm really good at this one. Get over here! And for me, it's like mindless button mashing, but like I'm really good at it for some reason. Come on, get it.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh, hey, Dad. I'm good, just making content for YouTube.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
That's okay. Alright. Came in first and out. Raylene is mine. Go, 9 points. Everybody else got like a bunch of goes and nothing else. Oh, I'm so close and yet so far. Well, I'm gonna finish part 2 here. What am I about to say? What am I trying to say? Gonna split the episode off here, and round 5 is going to be the last episode, episode 3. Going where we are going to see if I can beat Gavin. I doubt it, considering how many points he has, but we can dream. So, see you soon. Say hi to my dad for me. Stay tuned for round 3, for episode 3.